Hello students, welcome to Rachita Academy. Welcome to a session on internal combustion engine wherein we will be taking some of the important topic, that is difference between SI and CI engine. Based on various parameters, we will differentiate between them. This is the outer view of your petrol and diesel engine. This is your petrol and this is your diesel engine. First parameter is your ignition method. The spark ignition or SI engine, as its name indicates, use a spark to ignite the fuel. And in compression ignition or CI engine, the air is compressed within the cylinder and the heat of this compressed air is used to ignite the fuel. Next important parameter is fuel used. In case of your SI engine, we are using petrol. In case of CI engine, we are using diesel. There is a growing usage of renewable fuel like biodiesel is also being used in diesel engine. Next important parameter is your operating cycle. Operating in case of your SI engine, it works on Otto cycle, whereas your CI engine works on diesel cycle. What is the difference between Otto and diesel cycle? The main difference that separates these two cycles is the way they supply heat to the engine to begin the ignition. Another difference is Otto cycle heat occurs at constant volume, whereas your diesel cycle works on constant pressure. Next important parameter is your compression ratio. In case of your CI engine, we have a low compression ratio. In case of your SI engine, we have high compression ratio. What is the compression ratio? The ratio between the volume of your cylinder and the combustion chamber when the piston is at bottom of its stroke, and the volume of the combustion chamber when the piston is at top of its stroke. So this is how we are compressing the air or air fuel mixture. This is a compression ratio. Next important parameter is thermal efficiency. In case of a CI engine, it's a very low, 26%. In case of a SI engine, it's 26%. In case of a CI engine, it's about 40%. Lower the thermal efficiency because of low compression ratio. Because of high compression ratio, we have high thermal efficiency. So this is the main reason. In case of your SI engine, we have low compression ratio. That's why we have also less thermal efficiency. Next is your parameter is your engine speed. Engine speed of your petrol engine is around 3000 to 6000 RPM. RPM stands for revolution per minute. While in case of your CI engine, it's about 400 to 3500 RPM. RPM also we can say this is a revolution of your crankshaft. Because CI engine is heavy in weight, that's why it has less engine speed. Next is your engine pressure. In case of your SI engine, pressure is about 6 to 12 bar, while in case of your CI engine is 35 to 40 bar. What is bar? Bar is exactly equal to Pascal. A unit that is 1 Pascal is equal to 1 lakh Pascal. 1 bar is equal to 1 lakh Pascal or 100 kilopascal. Next important parameter is constant parameter. What is constant throughout the cycle will be a constant volume, while in case of a CI engine, it's operate on constant pressure. Next important parameter is weight of your engine. Petrol engine is as we know, these are less in weight, and in case of your diesel engine, it's heavy in weight. One more important point is intake. What we are using in case of your SI engine, fuel plus air. In case of our CI engine, we use only air. Noise production. Noise production is more in case of your CI engine, because knocking problem is also there. What is knocking? Knocking is some unburnt mixer remain, or some blowdown or some back pressure create on the piston. That's why in some cases it may, your combustion may occur before piston reaches to TDC, and that back pressure cause the knocking sound in your engine. There is a noise production is more in case of your CI engine. Production of hydrocarbon. Your hydrocarbon likes your NOx production, like nitrogen oxide. This is a main problem in case of your CI engine. This will be more because unburnt mixture will be more in case of your CI engine. Next is your starting. Starting is very easy because in SI engine, because we have a spark to ignite the fuel, whereas in diesel we have to reach that much temperature to ignite the fuel. So in cold condition our cylinder valve become cold and it's very difficult to ignite the fuel, and that's why starting problem will be there in case of a CI engine. Maintenance. Next is your maintenance. Maintenance will be less in case of your spark ignition, and more in case of your CI engine, because we require a minute filtering in case of your diesel engine. That's why we require more apparatus, like we require more filters, and we also require additional pump to supply the fuel, and also we require more oil for cooling of your engine, because temperature of your CI engine is also more. Vibration, as we discussed earlier, the noise and vibration is also more in case of a CI engine, because knocking is there. Cost of the engine, as we have seen that we require more parts of the engine and heavy in weight. That's why cost also will be increased, and heavy cost of the engine also will go more. Next is your power. Power production is less in case of SI engine and more in case of your CI engine, because it's heavy in weight. We can use for locomotive, trucks, as well as ships for CI engine. Fuel supply. We use carburetor in case of your fuel SI engine, whereas we are using injector in case of your CI engine, carburetor in case of your SI engine. Next is your application. This is for SI engine is for light duty application, whereas your CI engine for heavy duty, like buses, trucks, and ships, locomotive, and all. So if you feel these are useful for you, then please do like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.